It's day 3. And we're here sa breakfast area nila. Breakfast na kami. And then, yun ang agenda din, magla-lunch sa Shake Shack. And then, sa hapon, may pupuntahan din kami. So, later update ko kayo kung anong mga agenda namin. So, we are now again in Cheonggyecheon Stream here in Myeongdong, malapit. And you can hear the stream, diba? Ayan. Yan. So, balot na balot kami today kasi malamig. Ayan guys. Hi! Say hi everyone! And, interview. How's the weather today?
Very cold. But they say it's warm.
Oh, yes. Diba? This is warm. Ilang
It's
degrees
warm
kaya
for
to?
Koreans.
Yeah, for Koreans. Iikot kami dito. Yeah. Hanggang dun sa dulo, right? Ayun o. Hi! This is Alice, our beautiful guy.
Like this festival is from this Friday.
Yeah.
So that's what I saw from the banners. As I walked earlier and I saw all banners from Friday. They
Yeah.
have a festival.
If you come at night, it will be beautiful.
PM.
Yes, at PM. Like, the weather is good. We just sit here and see. Sometimes they have birds here
Yeah.
or dogs. And it's
Yeah.
really nice.
Well, when I was walking earlier, I saw a lot of dogs.
Doves? Doves?
Mga pigeons.
Pigeons.
Birds.
Ayun guys.
They have like a coffee shop or something.
So, doon sa dulo, meron din. Ayan. We're gonna go near it and see kung anong mga naka-in-store. So, paggabi, kailangan pumunta para maganda. Kasi ilaw yan eh. Ayan o. Yes. Ayan, kasi guys. Ito maganda to sa gabi. Hello guys, ayan may ibon oh. Ayan, ibon sa gitna. Like ang nakita din natin last time. Hindi na ako umabot dito nun eh. Ano kaya ito no? Symbolism nila. Na umiikot-ikot lang kami sa anong stream nga yun? Something stream. Alimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Nakapunta na ako twice. Cheonggyecheon stream. Kasi ikot-ikot lang kami, hanap kami ng coffee shop. Guys, umuusok na naman ang bibig ko. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. So, ikot-ikot lang kami. Walk lang din. Okay, so napili namin coffee shop is at Tusam Place. Ito siya. Ayan. So, magka-coffee daw kami dito. Di ba nice ang weather actually? Kaso, balit na balit ako. So, scarf, gloves, naka-puffer jacket, naka-ilang layers. Kasi I think it's 2 degrees ata. And umuusok na yung bibig ko pag nagsasalita ako.
I'll go to the
Ah, okay.
Mag-order na ako.
Go! Mag-order na kami ng coffee. Nag-order ka na?
Nandiyan ako.
Okay, my turn.
I'm not sure after condensed milk. Oh.
Hot, regular, decaf, mug. And that's it. Add.
Okay, add menu.
That's it.
And if you finish ordering, you can go to your seat.
Thank you.
Hindi na comment nga.
So, nakapili na ako. Vanilla coffee latte. Ooh, look at this. Mga food sila. Nice. Tapos meron sila cookies. And oh, ang cute naman na ito. Super small. Ano mga coffee? Ah, Tucson Place. How much yan? 32,000. Malaki din. And they have also this. This is really cute. And they're all busy. Pupili. Ito pa pala mga other stuff pa. Ayan. Macarons. And cheesecake. And other cakes. Guys, itong sweet potato fresh cream cake, masarap. May lasang kamote. Pero masarap. Ayan. So, magpipit pa kami ng coffee. See you later. Okay. After ng coffee, Shake Shack.
Baskin na plate niya.
Ayun yung Shake Shack. Ayan.
Eventually kasi may tulog.
Push and pull. Santiago Avenue. Dito tayo. Pagkatapos kami mag-coffee, kakain na naman ulit. Grabe na to. Tataba na talaga kami dito. Kakain na naman. Hindi na matutulog. Yeah. Hi!
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi!
Dalawa ba? Coke Zero din. Rice, regular lang.
Walang light. Pwede ba natin? Pwede na ako sa tubig.